Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about important topic, that is Krebs cycle. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Here Krebs cycle is consist of 8 steps, and now for these steps we have a very important mnemonics. That is, a guy having named Amit had some tasks to solve foreign mafia operations. Now the mnemonic is: can intelligent Amit solve some foreign mafia operation? So from the word C, the citrate, and for the word I, that is isocitrate, for the A, that is alpha keto, for the S word, that is succinyl CoA, and for the word S for succinate, and the word F stands for the fumarate, and M stands for the malate, and the word last one, that is word O, is denotes the oxaloacetate. Here all 8 substrates are memorized. Now the enzymes. Here from the link reaction, acetyl-CoA is formed. When acetyl-CoA combined with oxaloacetate, it will form citrate. Here acetyl-CoA is 2 carbon containing compound and oxaloacetate is 4 carbon containing compound. They combined together to form 6 carbon containing compound. 6 carbon containing compound. Here the enzyme citrate synthase, because here synthesis of citrate occurs. That's why from the substrate citrate, the enzyme named as citrate synthase. Now next, from the citrate isocitrate is formed. Here the enzyme is aconitase. Next step, here the isocitrate is 6 carbon containing compound, but alpha ketoglutarate is 5 carbon containing compound. So where is the 1 carbon atom? Here the 1 carbon atom is in the form of carbon dioxide. Now isocitrate is formed alpha ketoglutarate by the help of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Here dehydrogenase means removal of hydrogen from the substrate. Now NAD plus is converted into NADH by the help of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase, as well as a carbon dioxide molecule is removed from the isocitrate, then it will form alpha ketoglutaric acid. Now whenever you see the enzyme named dehydrogenase, that means an hydrogen atom is removed from the substrate. Next, from the alpha ketoglutarate, succinyl CoA is formed. Here an additional factor is required for this molecule to be synthesized. So the additional factor is coenzyme A. When coenzyme A in presence of the enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, because you can see that here is NADH plus, of course NADH plus H plus ion is formed because this enzyme name is dehydrogenase. That's why NAD plus is converted to NADH plus H plus. Now from the word sol, that is succinyl CoA, here the alpha ketoglutarate is 5 carbon containing atom, but the succinyl CoA is 4 carbon containing atom. From this succinyl-CoA, the next substrate is succinate. Here some having letter S, and this letter S is represents succinate. Okay, what succinate? Now see, from the succinyl-CoA, succinate is formed in the presence of the enzyme. Here the enzyme named as succinyl-CoA. Here substrate is succinyl-CoA, and here succinate is formed. That's why the enzyme name is succinyl-CoA synthase. Now GTP and an inorganic phosphate combines together to form GTP. Now this is the third step of substrate level of phosphorylation. What? Third step of substrate level phosphorylation. We will discuss about the phosphorylation in our upcoming video. Now from the succinate fumarate is formed. So always guys having some problem related to where and when the FADH2 is formed. So you can easily find during the formation of succinate to the fumarate. Here, so F, here also F. That's why we can easily find whether FADH2, when and whether when in which step FADH2 is formed. So during the formation of fumarate from the succinate, it will generate an FADH2 molecule. So here also you can see that from the FADH2 is formed. That means obviously the enzyme dehydrogenase is responsible for this reaction. Now from FAD to FADH2 is formed in the presence of the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, because here substrate is succinate and hydrogen atom is removed. That's why the enzyme is called succinate dehydrogenase. Now from the succinate fumarate is formed. So F stands for the fumarate. Now the second last step of this cycle is that is formation of malate from the fumarate. Here M stands for the malate. Now from the fumarate malate is formed. So there will be nothing here, only the hydrogen atom, or here only water is added to these substrates. So fumarate converted into malate in presence of, here what is the name of the substrate? Fumarate. That's why the enzyme will be fumarase, because there will be no dehydrogenation, there will be no carboxylation, there will be no synthesis of the other additional or byproducts. That's why the enzyme is fumarase. Next, from the malate, the last step, that is production of oxaloacetate, occurs. So from the malate oxaloacetate is formed. Here we can see that is molecule NADH plus. Obviously if here NADH plus is there, then must be NADH plus H formed. So now see, which enzyme is responsible for this? The substrate is malate. Obviously the enzyme name begins with malate, and here hydrogen is removed. That's why obviously enzyme name is malate dehydrogenase. From the malate dehydrogenase, in the presence of the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, malate converted into oxaloacetate here. Now the 8 steps are completed. So in the next video we will going to discuss the energy removed from this substrate and the how the energy is formed in the next steps. So thanks for watching this video.